Guys, stock I've been talking about for a minute right now, SBET is up almost 10%, and its big brother, BitMine Immersion Technologies, is up about 15% today. And this is some of the easiest money you'll ever make on Wall Street if you know what you're doing. A lot of you guys are not into crypto like I am, so I'm going to explain it to you. You guys are stock market guys, it's okay. I'm going to explain this to you, how this is probably the easiest trade you could have made money. Right here, when SBET got down to about $17, $18 during this is just a couple days ago, August 1st to August 4th, $17, guys. If you actually understood how these things work, it had $14 to $15 worth of ETH backing. You're basically paying NAV for a product that is including basically staking, basically increasing the amount of ETH they have daily, number one. Number two, they have ways of increasing their yield on ETH. That means the backing per share is increasing faster. So over time, it's going to increase faster. Probably if you hold SBET for another month, it'll have $20, $22, $23 worth of backing per share. So when you were buying $17, you're basically getting it for ETH price. This was basically the ETH price. So if you believe in ETH, it's going to go up. Then this would have been the best thing you could have bought. This was the easiest trade. And you can see now we're all the way to $22. This is way too cheap. This should be, if you're looking at MicroStrategies or other companies out there, even BitMine Immersion, which has $22 worth of backing. The last time Tom Lee said how much backing it had about a week ago, he said $22 per share of backing, guys, is what BitMine has. Well, guess what? SBET is around $14 to $15 and it's only at $22. This should be trading closer to $30. BitMine should be probably trading probably closer to double NAV, also about $44 to $45, because these guys are increasing. They're increasing the number of backing they have per share, and they haven't even started to give out to sell their bonds or their subordinate notes. They haven't even started. Once that starts, the backing per share could explode. It could explode. This is exactly what happened to MicroStrategy. It's the same thing. There's two ways for both of these companies to explode. Number one, the yield that they're going to get, and the backing per share, it's going to increase because of how they're going to raise money and buy more ETH. Number one. Number two, the biggest way that is going to happen, obviously the yield is going to have a big impact on it. Number two, these guys, you're backing on ETH. ETH, there's a story being told right now on ETH. First of all, staking is now, SEC has come out and said liquid staking is good to go. So that opens the door for these guys. A lot of great news all coming out. If you do some research, you'll understand. The liquid staking is a big deal. You can basically stake ETH and get ETH rewards. That means it's going to open the hands of these treasury companies to do even more types of staking, even probably maybe take a little bit more risk, get a little bit more creative in ways to earn more than 3%. They could probably get it up to 5, 6, 7, or even 8% in ways that they can do. They can loan out their ETH. There's ways that they can do it. So the biggest thing that is going to happen is the price of ETH is not going to be $3,600, $3,700. If you look out 4 or 5 months, 6 months from now, interest rates are going to have to fall. Jobless rate is about to go up. It has already started to go up. Interest rates will start to fall. Risk on assets will become very popular. And I want to take one more second for you guys to understand this. Just go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. ETH is one of the it's the top 3 performing assets in the last 30 days out of the top 100. And if you consider that it is way bigger than pretty much everything else besides Bitcoin, the fact that it is the top performer tells you where things are going. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. ETH is going to 10,000 plus. It is probably going to 15,000 plus. I explained it in my last video. Okay. It's probably going to go there. So these treasuries are probably some of the easiest bets you're about to have. Okay, SharpLink should be SBET. SharpLink should be trading probably, in my opinion, closer to about $40 realistically. 40 to, I would say 40 to 45. And BitMine, I think should be about realistically probably $50 with what's going on, $50 to $55, because both of them are adding more on a daily basis, increasing the amount of backing per share. Okay, they're just not announcing everything every single second. Plus, the price of ETH can pop off at any minute. And if you look right here, 44%, it beat out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin only grew less than 7% in the last 30 days. ETH grew 45%. XRP, the other big one, 31%. ETH outdid XRP, which is half its size. Okay, look at this. 17% for BNB. Solana. Everyone loves Solana. Only did 12%. Solana's not moving. Meme coins are kind of going out of fashion fast. Meme coins don't move. Solana's not going to move, okay? So you guys have to understand these things. Lido liquid staking, 44%. So this is just ETH, okay? The only other things that are catching up to ETH are basically staked ETH, And then when you look at Tron, only 17%. Dogecoin, 22%. Cardano, everyone loves Cardano. I don't know why, but some people do, at least. Only $26 billion market cap. Should be able to move more. No, 28%. It's not moving. Stellar did 60%. So Stellar is only the first one out of the first, top 100 tokens to slightly outperform ETH, but it'll probably give it all back. ETH is going to hold on to those gains. Sui, everyone loves Sui, only 22%. Chainlink, everyone loves, 25%. AVAX, one of the ones I love, only 23%. When you start looking, it is outcompeting everyone. It is being said what is about to happen. You need to have both of these stocks in your portfolio. Both of these are going to outperform pretty much everything else. I wanted to make a quick video so you guys can understand this. They're both extremely undervalued. There's also a third potential here, which I think is going to become a reality. Once SharpLink gets to probably, I'd say, 2 million ETH, the backing will be $30, $40 per share, something in that realm, because also the price is going to go up. This is something to remember. We're entering into a new phase. There's a potential that BitMine, at that point, if they have 2 million at SBET, I bet you BitMine has 3 million or maybe even 4 million tokens of ETH. They could take them over. The takeover targets and these things are going to happen this time around. And you're going to see prices that we haven't seen. These are the next MicroStrategies. These guys are in all the conference calls with MicroStrategies. Tom Lee, who runs BitMine. These are the two, to me, two easiest bets you could make in the stock market going into a bull run with risk on assets once interest rates fall. These are going up now, but wait till interest rates drop. Wait till ETH erupts. Wait. I wanted to get this out to you guys quickly. These are looking mighty good, mighty good. You might buy a little bit now if you don't have any, and then wait for it to drop and, to start to accumulate. You want to do it over time, but don't sleep on these two. These two, I think, are going to continue to go. I'm going to continue to give you guys updates. Big news. Staking is now okay with the SEC. That means it's going to open the door to both of these. Big things are going to happen, number one. Number two, I think what you're also going to start to see is the price movement in ETH. Okay, probably in the next couple months, if not in the next 30 days, you're going to see some big price moves, and it's going to be epic. And you're going to see price moves in this, because this is basically like buying leveraged ETH. So keep an eye out for a lot of stuff. I'm excited. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's get it. Don't miss out. I got another pick coming out hopefully this week. It's a big one. I think the other pick I have for you guys I think it's just as good, if not even better than this. I think it's going to be rock star. But I'm going to keep you guys updated on SBET and BitMine. I think these are the rock stars of this bull run. You guys are going to see great things coming out of both these guys. All right, guys, take care.